Can SBLC be used for collateral? Are you looking to avail standby letter of credit? Do you want to know whether SBLC can be used as collateral or not? Can SBLC be used for collateral purpose or credit enhancement? This is the most common query which rises among between importers who are looking to avail SBLC for their trading purpose. The answer for this is SBLCs can be used to enhance your ability to apply for credit line with your bank. That is, SBLC can be used as collateral. If you are thinking to get SBLC on your company's behalf, we are more than happy to assist you with your SBLC requirements. We are the 30+ years experienced SBLC providers in Dubai. We have served more than 25,000 clients globally with their bank instruments requirements. For more info on SBLC issuance, contact us today. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.